Alright, so here we are in the monsoon.
Hey, Riley.
Hey, Brian, look.
Oh!
That was really debauched.
Yeah, what it was.
I have nowhere else to put my arm.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What about your dog?
Like, don't touch me.
Here's the one.
Look at all that water.
Yeah, you're getting a lot of it right now, aren't you? I'm grasping.
I'm pretty happy this porch isn't leaking at all, but I guess because it's covered up there too.
Yeah.
It's leaking behind you.
Yeah,
Well,
a lot.
This lovely iron here.
Yeah, that's why I felt this way. That like a team post that flies, you know? Like, it's great.
Oh, it was?
Sure, they bought it in Tennessee.
Whoa, hey.
Hey, we have flashlights, right?
Well, I think we have some, but if the power goes out, what are half the people here gonna do?
On top of that, the AC is the problem.
Hey, all I know is it takes like 15 hours for my iPad to lose battery, and I get the Edge network up in the mountains, so...
That means you're going to be the first person against the wall, but I'm the one
That's true. I'll be sitting there watching Aquafina Hunger Force being like, I don't know why you bought me!
Liz, you've been holding out on us.
So much Aquafina.
You and Dusty Katanga.
Yeah, these people, when they have nothing...
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, oh my god! Oh my god, Brian!
Oh, no. Oh, no.
We're having innocent family feud.
Oh,
fun
family,
here.
innocent. Wait, innocent Tennessee style and innocent Chicago style?
This is Tennessee style family fun.
Oh, well, then I got